Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone. How are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a faded picture behind text in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to go your text slide. Then go to insert menu and click this picture drop down menu and click this device. Now go to your picture file location and choose any picture. Now click insert. Now select this picture and go to picture format menu. Then click picture effect. Then click soft edge and choose any edge. Choose any faded effect. Now select this picture. Again go to shape format option and click send backward. Now resize this picture on your measurement size. You can see I put a faded picture behind text in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.